colorist, word balloon maker. These are just some of the most significant people you must meet when we talk about comics. Comics have been part of our culture and history, but as technology advanced, comics slowly halted. This is the main reason why Glass House is continuously having the Manila Comics Creation Seminar. Every seminar, they give out new lectures and workshops for our aspiring artists. There were critics who freely shared their comments and opinions on the drawings or sketches the participants prepared. This event is open for all, whether you're aspiring to become a scriptwriter, penciler, inker, or colorist. Anything and everything that has something to do with comics. So if you're interested, come and join the 5th Annual Manila Comics Creation Seminar on October 27 to 28 at the Mega Trade Conference Hall, Function Room B, from 10 in the morning till 8 in the evening. See you there, share and improve your creative juices with the people you won't even imagine to meet. Finally, Granado Espada hit